If you're ready to build a strong foundation of self-love, this affirmation video is for you. Say these every day for the next 30 days to train your mind to embrace positive, empowering beliefs about yourself. As you speak these affirmations, your confidence and love for who you are will continue to grow stronger and stronger. I will say each affirmation, and in the space that follows, repeat it back to yourself. For the best results, speak with as much emotion and conviction as you can. Let's get started. I always love and support myself. I am my own best friend. I make decisions today that will set me up for future success. I always honor myself and my values. I am worthy of love and respect. I am too valuable to be mistreated. I protect my mind and my body. I am my biggest fan. I will not allow others to belittle me. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I am deserving of peace and joy. I honor my feelings and express them with confidence. I trust myself and my inner wisdom. I am resilient and can handle life's challenges. I choose to live with dignity and grace. I am grateful for who I am becoming. I treat myself with love and kindness. I choose to speak life over myself. I embrace my unique gifts and talents. I am a source of light for others. I trust the path I am on and have faith in the process. I am enough just as I am. I am capable of great things. I celebrate the small victories. I choose thoughts that support my well-being. I allow myself to rest and recharge. I am proud of how far I have come. I release what no longer serves me. I embrace positive changes in my life. I live with purpose and intention. I am at peace with who I am. I am grateful for my journey and all I have learned. Self-love is essential in living a life of joy and fulfillment. The way in which you love yourself sets the stage for how you can love others in your life. Make this video a daily practice for the next 30 days, or revisit it anytime you need to reconnect with your self-worth. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and resources designed to help you cultivate a life of health and wealth in your thoughts, emotions, relationships, and finances. Imagine the impact of fully embracing who you are and all you can achieve. Keep growing, keep loving yourself, and have an amazing day.